When you go down under the water for the first time and being able to breathe is an experience unlike any other.
The passion I have from diving came from diving.
Bill Ruth owns Lake Jocassee Dive Shop. He has been all over the lake and has dove down to the deepest depths where history still lurks under hundreds of feet of water.
Diving in the lake it's stepping back into time when you go down to these places. But when you light up those old stone pillars and you see the white picket gate and you've seen the photograph and everything looks just like that black and white photograph.
Camp Jocassee lies 320 feet beneath the surface. It was a girls' summer camp. There was also Atakula Lodge.
The Atakula Lodge, as we know it, is the only standing structure still there. And when I say standing, it's taken us a while, but we finally determined that as the lake filled up, the building did float off of its foundation.
The movie Deliverance was partly filmed at Lake Jocassee, but some of the rumors that came along with the movie aren't totally accurate.
Jocassee Valley was a rural community.
Jocassee wasn't a vibrant, bustling town. Bill teaches scuba and thought if I was going to do a story about Jocassee, I needed to get my feet wet, literally. I did the Discover Scuba where I learned to breathe underwater, clear my face mask when it was filled with water, and dive down to about 20 or so feet.
Each level, as you progress in your experience and through training, you go a little bit deeper each time you dive.
There are a few areas on the lake scuba instructors and divers have created for the students to enjoy. And the one that I loved was this makeshift cemetery. Reading the sayings on each tombstone was hysterical. And I also met a little friend down there. But for those who want to go a little deeper, there's even more to see.
A 40-foot sailboat made out of solid teak, sitting in a wooden frame.
So there's all sorts of adventures under the water for people of all ages to experience.
What's nice about scuba diving, it's available to anyone from age 10 and up.
Bill does private to semi-private lessons, giving each person the time and attention they need when learning to dive. As you can tell by the video, the water is so clear and Bill stays right by your side.